I'm here again to cook for you. Today, I have prepared a very simple snack. It's a pancake with banana, which I'm gonna make it for now. So I just make, I'm too full, but I want to show you how I make my snack for the day. So I have 1 egg and add just milk, salt, and of course I have to mix it. This is a very simple and very easy one, and I have to add a little bit sugar on it. Okay, so it's just like that. Okay, and pour the flour. Okay, let's see the texture first. I don't need to make too much. I'm too full, but I want you to see how I make my. It's not enough, my milk. So if you feel hungry, or if you always wanted to try and cook, you never get hungry. So easy. So look at this. It's okay, the texture when you pull it out a little bit running, something like this, your dough, then means enough. This is a very easy and very simple, and I love to cook for you. So while we're waiting, just keep stirring till the frying pan is hot enough. Don't put too much butter so that your pancake will not bubble too much. Like, so simple action, so simple, very easy and very okay. Now I set into a low. I just using this in one time, a little bit thick or two. So that the size and all the texture, it's the same, so I must turning around And okay, so we have one banana. Okay, and just cut it. And so look at this, it's so nice. I make for you one strawberry jam and banana. So look at this. And if you just wanted to just like this, also can. It's cutting banana, but it's good. I like it. And we have a very, very yummy one. Let me check. Good. Now I have to pour this first. Okay. This is how I make pancake. Okay, then I have to just pour it, put it around like this, and just roll it like this. And that's so wonderful. Look. Great. So that we have banana and strawberry pancake for today. So let me check. I want a little bit more. I want to play with the pancake. It's nice and so easy, very quick. 5 minutes you can do your snack, breakfast or whatsoever, midnight. All right, done. Now I have to put and spread but I don't need too sweet, not too sweet. Okay, just rolling it into like this. Okay, and I have to put some snow sugar. Okay. Then thanks for watching and see you again next videos. Look at this. Snack time. Bye.